Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're checking out the new Oraimo Watch 2 Plus. This is the second wearable from the company that we are unboxing on this channel. The first Oraimo product we checked out was the set of FreeBuds True Wireless earphones. We've seen a lot of fitness bands and smartwatches in the budget segment from different companies. It is a hot market as companies are competing to bring fitness features to the mass market. The new Oraimo Watch 2 Plus has a recommended retail price of 4,900 Kenyan shillings, and the main selling point is the look and the ability to make calls from your wrist. Oraimo says they have presence in over 60 countries and that the brand is trusted by over 200 million users. The packaging is simple in black and green. On the sides, you get the specifications of the device. The watch has a 1.69-inch TFT display. It is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. However, there's a disclaimer on the box telling you to take off the watch before entering into a swimming pool or surfing. It supports Bluetooth 5.2 and one is able to make calls with it. The battery capacity is 3000 mAh and Oraimo promises up to 7 days of use. The watch has a blood oxygen monitor, a respiratory rate monitor, a heart rate monitor, and up to 24 sports tracking modes. It is a good looking watch, to be honest. The rubber straps are soft and nice on the hand. They're also removable, so I believe you'll be able to switch to other straps if you want to in future. I would have wished for the square screen to be an AMOLED display. It is a TFT display, but it looks nice, and though my watch appears to be thick, it is not. It's also very light on the hand. On one side there are two buttons. They're quite tactile and clickable. Between them there is what appears to be a microphone. The top button, which has the green accent finish, is for returning to the main interface. The bottom button is a shortcut for quickly accessing workout modes. At the back there is quite a lot of text, and at the center you can get the sensors which help with their heart rate monitoring and other trackers. On the side there are two cutouts that appear to be the speakers, and at the bottom you get the charging pins. To switch on the watch after purchase, you have to plug it into the charger that's included in the box. Then you need to pair it to the phone. You can use the watch both on iOS and on Android phones. To do so, you can scan the QR code in the guidebook or search for the JoyWear 2 app on Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store. Once you've installed the app, you can choose to create an account or just use it without an account. You then set up your gender, height, weight, and target steps. Thereafter, you give the app permissions to access nearby devices for Bluetooth connectivity and other permissions like contacts and messages and notifications. From the app, you can change watch faces and much more, including alarms and reminders. You also get to enable and disable certain features. Navigating the watch is mostly done via gestures. From the home screen, you can swipe down to access quick settings including a do not disturb, flashlight, brightness, lock screen, and full settings shortcuts. Swiping from the left to right of the home screen gives you access to your daily activity counter, a sleep monitor, and a heart rate data. Swiping up from the home screen gives you access to the incoming messages. The operating system doesn't allow you to install apps, which is similar to what most fitness bands in the market do. However, to access other features of the watch, press on the top green accented button. You can also just use the app. Here you can get a scrollable list of features including breathing exercises, the stopwatch, alarm clock, and the remote camera feature. The remote camera feature allows you to remotely control your phone's camera from the watch and take shots using the watch as your shutter button. Once you're paired and connected to the phone, you can now make phone calls from your watch. While on the home screen, swipe from the left to right to access the menu with the phone dialer, music player, and settings shortcut. You can also just click the green accented button and tap on call. Once there, click on the phone dialer and toggle the switch on. You'll now be able to access contacts, recent calls, and the dialer to manually enter a phone number. The call quality isn't bad when you're in silent areas like a room. However, you're not going to use such a feature outdoors. The main reason for getting this watch over other fitness bands in the segment is because of the Bluetooth calling feature. Other fitness bands in this segment do not offer or support this. So if it's something that you really need or you really like to have, here's a budget watch offering that for you. What are your thoughts on the watch? Will you get one? Please let me know.